Hi everyone, we're going to solve this equation, give a general formula for all solutions, and list all solutions for 0 to 3 pi. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by 2, so we get negative square root of 3 divided by 2. So let's look over here and write that again. So we have cosine of 2 theta equals negative square root of 3 divided by 2. And that's where x is negative, so here it is right there and right there. If I change my primary angle of 2 theta, or theta, to alpha, and solve for that, we'd get alpha, let me just put this here real quick, alpha equals 5 pi over 6, and we also get 7 pi over 6. Now let's go back to 2 theta. So we're going to set so we can actually find out what our primary angle is. 2 theta equals 5 pi over 6 plus the period of cosine is 2 pi, and write k for the number of rotations. And 2 theta equals 7 pi. That should be a 6 over 6 plus 2 pi k. And then all you do, should be a 6, sorry about that. All you do is divide each of, or multiply through by 1/2. So when you multiply everything through by 1/2, you get theta equals 5 pi over 12 plus pi k. And this one's going to be theta equals 7 pi over 12 plus pi k. And let's do our common denominator. For this part, theta equals 5 pi over 12 plus 12 pi over k divided by 12. Same over here, just so we can have the same denominator. Now we know that we're dealing with 12 as the denominator. We're going to do, instead of 3 pi, I'm going to write 36 pi over 12, because that does equal 3 pi, because I know I'm dealing with 12 for my denominator. And all we're going to do is keep adding 12 pi to our angles. So for this first one, let's deal with this one. We have 5 pi over 12. Now add 12 to the 5. This would be if k is 1. If k is 1, that would be 17 pi over 12. Add 12 to 17. 12 plus 17 is going to be 29 pi over 12. That would be if k is 2. You're adding it again. You add 12 to 29. It's going to be too big. It's going to go to 41. So we can stop, because we only can go to 36. Now for this one, I have 7 pi over 12. That's if k is 0. Now keep adding 12. So 7 plus 12 is going to be 19 pi over 12. Add 12 to 19. That's going to be 31 pi over 12. And you can't go any higher. If you add 12 to 31, it's going to be too big. And so those are all your solutions. So just remember, the k is just the number of times you keep adding 12 pi over 12. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.